Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to connect your Verizon Wi-Fi extender. Start by taking your extender out of the box and plugging it into a power outlet near your Verizon router. Make sure it is close enough so the signal between the router and extender is strong. Wait for the power light on the extender to turn on and become stable. Next, go to your Verizon router. Look for the WPS button. It is usually labeled as WPS on the back or side of the device. Press and hold the WPS button for about 3 to 5 seconds, then release it. This will put your router into pairing mode. Now move back to your extender. Within 2 minutes of activating WPS on the router, press and hold the WPS button on the front or back of the extender for 3 to 5 seconds. Release the button and let the devices begin connecting. Wait for about 1 to 2 minutes. During this time, the extender and router will communicate and complete the pairing process. Watch the WPS light on both devices. When the light turns solid white or blue, it means the connection is successful. Once the connection is confirmed, unplug the extender from the outlet. Take it to the area in your home where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. This could be a room with weak signal or a hallway between rooms. Plug the extender back into a power outlet in that location. Your Verizon Wi-Fi extender is now set up and ready to improve your wireless coverage. Thanks for watching.